Okay. Hello everyone. So today we discuss about problem on trains. Problem on trains. That means problem on trains means a train maybe travel on the railway track. So in that case, different case of problem may be given in the exam, that how we calculate the speed of the train. Different problems are there. You have to calculate speed of the train. You have to they are asking sometimes that at what time the two train will meet. So different case of problems are there. So in that case, some basic formulas are required. So first formula is equal to number one formula. What I am first telling, after that I am explaining that the formula is number one, that pole or any stationary object is there. Suppose in a roadside or when the railway passing, if there is any pole is there, pole may be electric pole, anything may be there, or any stationary object is there. Stationary means it is not moving, it is fixed. If a man is there, then man is standing. If a man is there, then a man may be sitting. So if a stationary, anything may be there. If any stationary object is there, then distance is equal to always length of train. Distance is equal to, this is the number one formula, that D for distance, L for length of train. So again I am repeating, if there is any pole is there. So the basic concept is in between this formula is that if there is a pole is there or any object is there, then the thickness of the pole or thickness of the man or any object is negligible in comparison to the length of the train. That's why we are not considering the thickness of the pole or the thickness of the man or any object. So we are considering only the length of the train. So what is the formula is that if any pole is there or any stationary object is there, then distance is equal to always length of train. D means distance, L means length of train. This is the first formula is there. We are not considering the thickness of the pole or the stationary object. Number two is there. Now distance is equal to same length is there plus P. P means platform. P means platform length. Now what is the difference between first formula and second formula? In first formula, this is for pole or any stationary object. As I told that if a pole is there or any stationary object is there, then thickness is negligible in comparison to length of train. But if there is a platform is there, is given in the question that a train is passing a platform, then platform length is big, so it is not negligible. So in that case, that platform length we have to consider. Then in that case, the train is covered the distance of the length of the train itself plus the platform. So if platform is there, then we have to plus it. But if there is any stationary object is there, that means any thickness is comparison to length of train is very less, then we are considering only the distance is equal to length of train. So these are the basic funda are there, basic two formulas are there. We have to require to for the basic two concept in every problem. So basic thing is there. If any pole is there, then only distance is equal to length of train. If platform is there, then only platform length we will consider. So second formula is over. Now third formula is equal to what? This is the formula for relative speed. Relative speed is equal to two formulas are there. First formula is relative speed we have to calculate. First formula we have to sum the speeds, and next is difference. Next is difference of the speeds. So these are the two formulas are there for relative speed. These are also required for solving the problems of train. So what is relative speed? Suppose they are given in the question that two trains are coming in opposite direction. In that case, if two trains are coming in opposite direction, then the relative speed, always remember, this is plus, this is sum up. When we sum up the speeds, if there is an opposite direction, if the direction of the rail, suppose it is not mandatory that always rail, suppose the rail is coming, another man is walking, both are in opposite direction, they are coming. In that case, the speed should be plus. This is the basic concept of relative speed. And if both the trains or train or a man are going in the same direction, then the relative speed should be the difference of their speeds. So this is the basic relative speed concept, that the speed always sum up for opposite direction and always the difference for same direction. And if there is a distance concept is there, distance always sum of the lengths, sum of the lengths of the train or anything, maybe sum of the lengths. Distance is always sum, distance never be minus. It does not depend on direction. Again repeat, only relative speed is depends on direction, but distance does not depend on direction. Distance always plus sum of the speeds, distance always sum of the length of the trains. If two trains are there, how much distance they have covered, then it does not depend on direction, always distance is equal to plus of the sum of the length of the two trains. So these are the speeds are there, relative speed is there. Next is a basic thing is there, relation is required, because in mix-up problems there is a distance is given, rail length is given in meter. Rail length is not like that ki 1 kilometer 2 kilometer. Rail length is given, train length is given in meter, but the some cases the speed generally given in kilometer per hour. So always convert everything in 1 unit. 1 unit is mandatory. So 1 kilometer per hour is equivalent to 5/18 meter per second. This is the relation between kilometer per hour and meter per second. And 1 meter per second is the opposite. This is 18/5 kilometer per hour. This is opposite. If you want to convert 1 kilometer per hour, you have to multiply 5/18. If you 1 meter per second, you have to multiply by 8/15. So these are the relation is there. Now few basic things also there. Suppose speed they are asking. Speed is always distance by time. Now time is what? Time is equal to always distance by speed. Now distance is equal to speed into time. So these are the basic concept, physics concept is required for solving this type of problem. So this is the basic thing is there for train, relative speed, there is a distance, so because distance is mandatory, distance you have to calculate. If a pole is there, then only length of train, if platform is there, length of train and platform. So these are the basic concept is there for the train, for solving the problems of trains. Thank you.